What happens if you never sleep for 5 days? Hour 6. Your eyes feel heavy. You yawn constantly. Focus starts slipping. Hour 12. Reaction time slows. Simple tasks feel harder. You reread everything. Hour 18. Your mood shifts. Small things make you angry. Patience disappears. Hour 24. Day 1. Your brain acts mildly drunk. Memory weakens. You forget what you just said. Your heart beats faster. Stress hormones rise. Hour 30. Your body begs for rest, but you force it awake. Fatigue deepens. Hour 36. Microsleeps begin. Your brain shuts off for seconds. You don't notice. Hour 42. Headaches grow stronger. Your hands tremble slightly. Hour 48. Day 2. Your immune system weakens. You feel cold and tired. Your body slows down. Hour 54. Thinking becomes foggy. Light feels too bright. Hour 60. Noise feels louder. Your eyes burn constantly. Hour 66. You struggle to focus on faces. Hour 72. Day 3. Hallucinations begin. Shadows move. No one else sees them. You hear faint whispers. Reality starts bending. Hour 78. Your speech slows. Words feel heavy. Hour 84. Your balance weakens. You stumble slightly. Hour 90. Paranoia grows. You think people are watching you. Hour 96. Day 4. Blood pressure shifts. Your heart works harder. Your body temperature fluctuates. Hour 102. Coordination collapses. Walking straight becomes difficult. Hour 108. Your immune system crashes. Infection risk rises sharply.
Hour 114. Your brain struggles to process reality. Confusion deepens. Hour 120. Day 5. Severe cognitive breakdown. You forget where you are. Your thoughts feel fragmented. Hour 126. Your vision blurs. Your hands shake uncontrollably. Hour 132. Your body weakens. You may collapse suddenly. Hour 138. Your organs are under stress. Your heart rhythm becomes unstable. Hormones spiral out of control. Hour 144. Your brain malfunctions. Severe hallucinations take over. Reality feels unreal. Hour 150. Your immune defense nearly shuts down. Your body can't repair itself. Hour 156. You lose control of coordination. You struggle to stand. Hour 162. Extreme confusion.